Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nut butters. Spreading something delicious on whole wheat toast in the morning is a win-win. But not all nut butters are created equal. Some are loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. We're breaking down the most popular nut butters on the market. It's about to get nutty up in here. First up is almond butter, a personal favorite of mine. Packed with vitamin E, it helps protect your cells from damage. And don't forget about magnesium. It's essential for over 300 bodily functions. Choose natural, unsweetened almond butter to avoid added sugars. Next, we have the classic peanut butter. A staple in many pantries, peanut butter is a good source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. We're talking muscles, bones, skin, hair, you name it. But here's the catch. Many commercial peanut butters are loaded with added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and other unhealthy ingredients. Look, I get it. That creamy, sweet, and salty combo is addictive. But those added sugars can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and other health issues. So what's the solution? Opt for natural peanut butter with just 2 ingredients: peanuts and maybe a touch of salt. Check the label and make sure there are no hidden surprises. Chapter 3. Cashew butter. Oh, cashew butter, where do I even begin? This luxurious nut butter is known for its incredibly creamy texture and slightly sweet flavor. But don't let that fool you, it's packed with nutrients too. Cashew butter is a good source of iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Ever feel tired or sluggish? You might need more iron in your diet. Cashew butter can help with that. And let's not forget about zinc. Cashew butter is also a good source of this essential mineral that supports immune function, wound healing, and even your sense of taste and smell. Who knew something so delicious could be so good for you? Chapter 4. Calling all Nutella lovers. Hazelnut butter is a delicious and nutritious spread that can be enjoyed in moderation. It's got that rich, nutty flavor that's hard to resist, and it's a good source of vitamin E, that powerful antioxidant we talked about earlier. However, many commercially prepared hazelnut butters, especially those marketed as chocolate hazelnut spreads, are often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. I know it's disappointing, but those added sugars can really sabotage a healthy diet. So, what's the solution? Look for natural hazelnut butters with minimal added ingredients. You can always add a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness if you need to. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have sunflower seed butter, a great alternative for those with nut allergies. This seed butter is naturally free of peanuts and tree nuts, making it a safe and healthy option for people with allergies. Sunflower seed butter is also a good source of vitamin E and magnesium, those nutritional powerhouses we talked about earlier. Remember, vitamin E for antioxidant protection and magnesium for over 300 bodily functions. And the best part? Sunflower seed butter has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that goes well with just about anything. Spread it on toast, add it to smoothies, or use it in baking for a healthy and delicious treat. Outro. So there you have it, a breakdown of the most popular nut butters and their health benefits. Remember, not all nut butters are created equal. Always read the label and choose natural, unsweetened varieties whenever possible. By making informed choices, you can enjoy the deliciousness and nutritional benefits of nut butters without compromising your health. It's all about balance, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you next time.